home in Sweden, Eric and Alice Johansson first heard about the Nordic consulting in the international press. They were excited to discover that the Spanish courts are awarding compensation to timeshare owners that have purchased in Spain. Eric and Alice found their paperwork and contacted the Nordic Consulting for more information. They were able to talk to a consultant in their own language. They learned that they had the same opportunity as many other families, and that the legal team needed to see their purchase agreements. Getting their paperwork to the Nordic Consulting was easy. They scanned their documents and sent them through using a link on the website. The legal team confirmed that the Johanssons had a very strong case and prepared a contract to provide all of the necessary legal services. The Johanssons also printed a power of attorney to authorize a lawyer to represent them in court in Spain. They took this document to a local notary's office to sign and get an apostille stamp. Finally, they sent the original of this document to the Nordic Consulting. The Johanssons' file was now complete. One of the Nordic Consulting's expert lawyers collected the case file and filed the lawsuit in court. The court reviewed the lawsuit and confirmed in writing that the Johanssons had a case that should be heard. Next came the pre-trial hearing, where the lawyers involved discussed points of law, and a date was fixed for the trial. The Johanssons' lawyer suggested that it would be best if they came to Spain for the trial. The family agreed, and they needed a holiday in the sun in any case. The Johanssons stopped by the office of the Nordic Consulting. Their lawyer explained to them the key points of the upcoming trial. The Johanssons felt reassured and confident. They were able to relax and enjoy their Spanish holiday. The day of the trial came and everything went well. The judge ruled in favor of Eric and Alice and ordered that they receive the compensation they were expecting. The Johansson family returned to Sweden feeling satisfied. The lawyer had done an excellent job. Another court case victory for clients of the Nordic Consulting.